Hello everyone, this is a 2009 Toyota Camry. I'm gonna doing engine oil light reset, oil maintenance light reset also you can say. So it's very easy, it's very simple. You can see this button, click it here, go to trip A, keep pressing this one, okay? Keep pressing this one and you have to see the ignition. This is the ignition. Sorry, it's a little bit hard. Cut it off, turn it on back. You can see that dots are blinking. You see now it's 0. So your oil light is now resetted. There is no any light indication is right there. And I didn't know. Always put a sticker right there, you see. You can put a sticker right there. You can put it like how many miles you can drive it on. Alright, thank you guys.